Snakes for long have always amazed people with their smooth movements and mysterious behaviors. Readily found from the thick rainforest of the Amazon to the hot deserts of the Sahara, these reptiles have adapted well to different environments. One of the most interesting things about them is their ability to shed their skin, a process called ecdysis. Shedding skin is an important part of a snake's life. Unlike humans, whose skin grows and repairs itself constantly, snakes must shed their entire outer layer of skin as they grow. This is crucial for their health. As snakes get bigger, their skin doesn't stretch. Instead, they form a new layer of skin underneath the old one. When it's time, the old skin peels off, revealing the new, larger skin beneath. The shedding process starts when the snake's skin turns dry and dull. Its eyes may look cloudy or blue, which shows that the old skin is ready to come off. This stage is called the blue phase and it can last a few days. During this time, the snake's eyesight becomes poor, making it more vulnerable to predators. To help remove the old skin, snakes often rub against rough surfaces like rocks or tree bark. Once shedding begins, the snake will wriggle and twist to peel off the old skin. This can take a few minutes or several hours, depending on the snake's size and species. The old skin usually comes off in one piece, starting from the head and moving down to the tail. The shed skin is a nearly perfect, see-through copy of the snake's outer layer. Shedding is important not only for growth but also for health. It helps snakes get rid of parasites attached to the old skin, lowering the risk of infection. Shedding also allows them to heal small wounds and keep their skin healthy. The new skin is often brighter and helps improve the snake's camouflage. Different snakes shed their skin at different rates. Younger snakes, which grow faster, may shed every few weeks, while older snakes may shed only a few times a year. Factors like temperature and humidity can also affect how often they shed. For instance, snakes in warmer areas might shed more frequently than those in colder regions. Other reptiles like lizards and geckos also shed their skin, but the process is especially noticeable in snakes because of their long bodies and need for smooth skin renewal. Scientists who study reptiles have learned a lot about how shedding works and why it is so important. Understanding why snakes shed their skin gives us insight into how well they have adapted to their environments. From the deserts of Arizona to the forests of India, snakes continue to amaze us, shedding their old skin and revealing new wonders of nature.